Every year, as the dry season takes hold, it dwindles into pools. Accommodation starts to get tight for the locals. Parts of the river are now bone dry, forcing huge male hippos from their home. With nowhere left to turn, they must converge on the few remaining patches of water. But these are already occupied. Hundreds of nests are wiped out. Southern Africa has experienced dry seasons for thousands of years. But this is something different. Record high temperatures and the lowest rainfall in nearly 40 years have thrown parts of Africa into one of the worst droughts in a century.